guys, welcome back to my channel. Mimi for those of you who are new. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company and we're looking gorgeous. Okay, Luvme Hair is literally blessing us with every single wig. Okay, because honey, I am looking good and I love it. So if you want to look as good as me, do check the description box down below. I also have discount codes for you guys. I have direct links, so check them out and get yourself this wig, period. So without any further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video. So guys, I want to show you all the goodies that Luvme Hair sent me. The first thing that they were kind enough to send me was this wig cap, Luvme Hair bonnet, a branded storage bag, a branded beauty blender, and a Luvme Hair clipper. Now guys, I don't know how they package their wigs because they package them really well. This wig looks like this, like everything is done for me. Okay, the wig came exactly like this. Okay, I am removing the net and I can already see that they hot combed this wig, so meaning this wig is also pre-styled. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am obsessed with their packaging. The color, yo, this is absolutely gorgeous guys. The two-tone, oh my goodness. So let me show you guys the construction inside. It is a C-part wig, as y'all can see. The wig is pre-cut for you. It has 3 clips, 2 on the side, and of course 1 right here at the back. And it has this adjustable band that is nice and stretchy to secure your wig. 2 extra adjustable belt as well. The quality of this wig is absolutely amazing. I am so obsessed. Let's just shake it out. Okay, because obviously if it is a Luvme Hair wig, it's supposed to move, period. Guys, I honestly love the tight curls. I feel like this curl pattern gives this wig a very fresh look. Like, I'm blown away. Okay, look at that. This is going to look so good on my skin tone. I can already tell. I love it so much. So I'm going to put this wig on because it is that easy. 1 second install. Okay, just like that guys, the wig is on. I love how lightweight it is. I love the fact that it is super soft. I love the fact that the wig is super secure. It is not going anywhere. So even if you run, okay, like, it's not gonna go anywhere. Even if you go to a party and dance like there's no tomorrow, this wig is literally secure. Okay guys, I'm not really mad with the volume, but I feel like this wig can get bigger than this. So the curls are nice and defined, as you can see. But you know what, we're going to take this wig to the next level. We're going to comb out the curls and let's see how big this wig can get. Yes. Guys, this wig is so oh my god. Yes, memes. Okay. Yeah, no, the volume is voluming. The volume is doing what it's supposed to do. I'm happy. I'm happy guys. So get yourself this wig. Do check the description box down below. I am really happy. Look at the ombre. Wow. Luvme Hair said, memes, you're going to look like a 10 out of 10. Okay, I always say that because guys, Luvme hair wigs never disappoint. Like, they never disappoint. Okay, the volume is gorgeous. I'm really happy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.